Hi, I look like crack, I am fully aware of that, but today I'm gonna be attempting to give myself that like 80s blowout. I bought these off of Amazon and I'm kind of excited to try them out. I tried it out last night and it went really bad, so I watched a bunch of videos and I'm trying to just figure out how to do it. So y'all get to follow me along on this because I don't know what I'm doing. You guys can make fun of me in the comments. I already sectioned off my hair. I'm just starting off with the back pieces. I'm trying to make sure they're not too thick so I can actually get them dry and they're not like frizzy or anything. And then I'm just spraying them with water. Okay. Got that one in. Curl, hey. I really hope I'm doing this right because I don't want to waste my time and have to wash my hair all over again to make it not look stupid. Kind of hurting my arms. I can't see. Okay, this is like not straight at all, but whatever. I messed it up. Nice. So I got the center part down. Let's remove these. And then use the big roller. I'm struggling. Okay, we're doing a thick piece right here. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. We got all of that up. Ooh yeah, get it I guess. Oh my god. I'm just spraying it with water because I need it to actually catch. We got the blow dryer. Why did I say it like that? We have the blow dryer and I'm just gonna set it up to a really high heat, try not to burn myself, and blow dry the shit out of these, so. Okay, time to take them out. Let's start with this one right here. What is that? Ooh, that one's cute. I mean, they're curling back nicely, so. Okay, that one did not curl up at all. Oh my god. Moment of truth, people. Way. This is exactly what happened yesterday. I guess that's really how a 70s hairstyle looks, but saw this girl brush like it all forward. Okay, it doesn't look that bad. I think I'm just being a little over dramatic. What you think of my hair?
I think it's nice. Maybe for the 1960s, but okay.
That's what I was going for. I lied. I kind of really like it. It turned out really cute actually after I kind of brushed it out and let it just like naturally fall. So I'm not that mad. That was today's video. Just keep it super quick and simple. Finished look. I feel like a 70s like actress. I feel like I should be in the 70s show. You know? Kind of in love. Until next time, guys.